What's up, y'all?
Hey everyone! We're in Chelsea, Manhattan with Action Kid.
Yeah, we're gonna see Chelsea Market here.
Let's go! Right when you walk in, you see it's very festive in here. You got some pink presents and Christmas trees.
And yeah, the white Christmas tree, a yellow one, a red one. I've never seen Christmas trees this many colors all at once.
And you can sit on there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys go sit there. Oh, turn out we can sit there, huh?
Hey Kenneth, so you're basically New York's tour guide. Tell us what you know about Chelsea Market.
Well, it used to be the Nabisco Company factory, and they made Oreos here and stuff like spiced wafers and biscuits. That's why it's the National Biscuit Company, because biscuits in English is the cookies, or like a slightly small cookie, in my understanding.
Ah.
Yeah.
So it's a cookie factory.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's beautiful.
It's so nice.
What is one of the biggest reasons people come here?
Use the bathroom. It's downstairs.
How's the bathroom?
It was very nice. So many stalls inside, and I really like the decorations.
That's probably my favorite part about Chelsea Market.
Yeah.
Old-fashioned restaurant.
Other than the unique, awesome bathrooms here, there's some great shops here as well.
Yeah, food places, office space. There's also some clothing places down there. You don't want to miss it. This place here, they specialize in Chinese goods, so they sell everything from like lanterns to dresses, paper crafts, rice bowls. A lot of cool stuff in there.
Let's check it out.
Feel like home?
Feels like I'm traveling.
I don't know what these are called.
Fountains.
Thank you. Fountains.
Oh, just called fountains.
The balls look really fun to play with, but we can't touch them.
Okay then.
$7.99 for a white rabbit? No thanks.
Horrendous.
That's crazy.
Speaking as an Asian.
It's not a good candy. I never tried it.
Oh, you never tried it?
But it's good, but it's not worth $8.
Oh.
Maybe
Yeah.
like a dollar or two, you know?
Yeah.
Back in my day, it used to be like $1.
This is like Twizzlers, you know?
That's crazy.
That's us.
That's us. It's detecting us moving here.
Some interactive
Oh.
stuff here. What's in here, Kenneth?
Some cool stuff in there. Let's check it out.
All right.
Artisans and Fleas, a place for artists, creators, makers, and collectors. There's a lot of cool stuff here, but it's like a high-end flea market. I like this hoodie. Looks like everybody and everywhere you go, there's Christmas decorations. And in Chelsea Market, it's red, white, and pink.
They kind of look like candy canes, but without the hook.
That's right.
This is Ayada Thai, the second location. The first one is in Elmhurst and the other one is in Chelsea Market. It's a must go because Ayada Thai is delicious. Look at these decorations on a pipe.
It's weird. It feels like disco, but with pink stuff.
It's a season though. Sometimes they have the waterfall decoration, and you always see tourists just standing here taking pictures with it. People used to throw money in there.
Because it used to be a fountain.
Yeah, there used to be a waterfall and a fountain.
My favorite thing to get at Num Pan Kitchen is the 5-spice pork belly sandwich. You can't go wrong. So delicious.
Pulled pork, it was really good.
Ah.
Yeah, the rice bowl.
Everything here is really good.
Oh yeah.
I remember years ago it used to be $9 a sandwich. I see now it's like $10.50.
Okay.
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 So inside here, there are two awesome places to eat at. One of them is called Bunk Bar. It's a Korean ramen bar, and the other one is Los Tacos #1.
Yeah, that's my favorite taco place in Manhattan. Los Tacos #1.
You got a taco.
I got a taco. It's
Flour.
flour. You like onion, cilantro, everything on it? Everything, yeah.
Tacos.
So good. Didn't try the pineapple yet, and the guac is in the wrong spot, bro.
How is it, Kenneth?
It's so good, man.
Yeah?
You gotta try this.
Next time. Pretty
Yeah.
cool.
Super full. We had our fair share.
Tacos. Just these people. Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed that quick guide to the Chelsea market.
Yeah, it was wonderful in here. Thanks for having me along. I'm gonna do a walk with these two on my channel now. Come and check it out.
Yes, check out Action Kid, and if you like this video, give us a like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Alrighty, it's Vlogmas. So this is a little vlog moment. This is my old 2012 laptop, 13-inch. It's been with me since pretty much when it first came out. Let me show you my charger too, actually.
It has been through a lot.
Yeah. But even this laptop alone, if you open it, it's dirty, it's beat up, it's missing keys. Some keys actually don't belong in other keys. I just have to swap them out. It's crazy.
Oh yeah, this one.
That and that. And here is my charger. Look how beat up this thing is. Pretty much tape it up. And this side, wow, look at that.
Oh my
heavy
God.
duty stuff. Yeah. My
Okay.
sophomore year in college, 2012.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty much my second ever laptop.
So Max lasts a while. We are both Mac people.
Yeah. You can expect what this is.
Yep, it's a new Mac.
Yeah. From 2012 to 2021.
Wow. You know what? If you wait one more month to use it, it'll be a decade. Right?
Wait one more month.
Cause
I mean, I'll still probably be using it for other stuff.
yeah.
But I probably can't wait to not use this one.
Yeah, because it's already here. Okay.
Alright, I'm pretty much 2 months behind on this MacBook review.
Oh, this thing was heavy.
Yeah. And it was in our backyard. We didn't even know it was a laptop. We just thought it was a random package.
Exactly.
We let it sit there for a little bit.
Whoa. It's so
MacBook
nice.
Pro. 32 unified memories, 1 terabyte SSD, 16-inch MacBook. There you go. Alright, here's that ASMR moment. I'm sure there's an Apple sticker somewhere. Alright, ready for this part?
Yeah.
Voila!
Beautiful.
So beautiful. Space gray.
Whoa. Sorry, I talked.
Too impressed. Wow. Okay, we'll save the setup for later.
Yeah.
This will take me all day, maybe.
All night.
All night.
Too excited to sleep.
Yeah. That's my open box experience. I'm sure there's an Apple sticker in there somewhere. I'm sure it's a great laptop.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called
You see these bars? What the hell?
Oh no. Oh shoot. Oh no.
Is that?
It's probably like.
Whoa.
Oh no, this one's a defect.
Uh-oh.
Damn it. That doesn't look good.
Yeah, no. Yeah, so I thought maybe if I set it up, restart the machine, it would fix, but it looks like it's a actual hardware screen issue. So there's nothing much I can do. See, if I put the mouse here, even the mouse gets glitchy.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Too bad.
Oh, what do we do now? Return it, bring it to the store. Oh, we'll figure it out tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, we'll sort this out hopefully, and then see what happens from here.
Dang it.
Till next time.
Peace.